Hello dear students, hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Myself Jyoti Paryani, your Maths teacher. Welcome to e-learning classes of P.N. Amarse High School. Now let us begin with our chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Students, this is an introductory video. In this chapter, we will learn about what are natural numbers, comparison of numbers, place value of digit, estimation of the numbers, Roman numerals. So the very first topic is what are natural numbers. Counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and there is no largest number as natural numbers are infinite. Our next topic is digits and place value. Students, you have learnt about place value in your previous classes. Numbers are formed using 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These symbols are called digits or figures. To find out the place value of a digit in a number, multiply the digit with the value of the place it occupies. For example, here the number is 85648. Now here this 85648 are digits, and to find out the place value of these digits, we have to form a table. Here in this table, in the last column we will write ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000 and so on. Now here we will place this digit 8 in ones column, digit 4 in tens column and digit 6 in hundreds column and digit 5 in thousand column and digit 8 in 10,000s column. Now here to find out the value of these digits, we have to multiply these digits with the value of the place it occupies. As here 8 is written in ones column, so we will multiply 8 by 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. So the value of digit 8 is 8. Now here 4 is written in tens column, so we will multiply 4 with 10. So the value of digit 4 is 40. In the same way, we will multiply this 6 by 100 and the value of 6 is 600. In the same way, we will multiply this digit 5 with 1000. So the value of this digit is 5000 and we will multiply this 8 by 10,000. So the value of digit 8 is 80,000. So the number so formed will be 85,648. In this way, we have to find out the place value of each digit. Now our next topic is comparison of numbers. We often need to compare the two or more numbers. Here are some of the ways it can be performed easily. Number 1, if two numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number with the greater number of digit is greater. For example, comparison between 358 and 4567. Now here these two numbers have unequal number of digits. Here in this number there are 3 digits 1, 2 and 3. And in this number there are 4 digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the number with greater number of digit is greater. Therefore 4567 is greater than 358. Second is, if two numbers have equal number of digits, then the number with greater value digits on the extreme left is greater, and if the digits on the extreme left of the numbers are equal, then the digits to the right of the extreme left digits are compared and so on. For example, comparison between 1345 and 2456. Here these two numbers have equal number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the numbers have 4 digits. So We will compare the digits on the extreme left. Now here the very first digit is 1 and in this number the very first digit is 2. So we can say that 2456 is greater than 1345. So students, our next topic is Indian system of numeration. Values of the places in the Indian system of numeration are ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and so on. The following place value chart can be used to identify the digit in any place in the Indian system. Here a place value chart is drawn which includes periods and places. In the periods column, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores and so on are mentioned, and in the places column you can see here in ones period ones, tens and hundreds places are mentioned, and in thousands period 1000 that is ones and 10,000 means tens places are mentioned, and in lakhs period 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs is mentioned, and in crores period 1 crores and 10 crores are mentioned. I will explain you this with the help of an example. So here I have drawn a place value chart which represents ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, tens thousands, 1 lakh and 10 lakh, and the number so given is 3275829. Now here this digit 9 we will write in ones column, the digit 2 we will write in tens column, the digit 8 we will write in hundreds column, digit 5 we will write in 1000 column, and digit 7 we will write in tens thousand column, and digit 2 we will write in 1 lakh column, and digit 3 we will write in 10 lakhs column. Now students, we will multiply this digit with the value of the place it occupies. Here we will multiply this 9 with 1. So 9 ones is 9, and we will multiply the digit 2 with tens. So 2 tens is 20. In the same way we will multiply the digit 8 with 100. So 8 multiplied by 100 is 800. And again we will multiply this digit 5 with 1000. So 5 multiplied by 1000 is 5000. And then we will multiply this 7 with 10,000. So 7 multiplied by 10,000 is 70,000. And we will multiply this digit 2 with lakh. So 2 multiplied by lakh is 2 lakh. And we will multiply this digit 3 with 10 lakhs. So 3 multiplied by 10 lakh is 30 lakh. So the number so formed will be 32,75,829 according to Indian system of numeration. Now next is use of commas. Students, commas added to numbers help us to read and write large numbers easily. As per Indian numeration, commas are used to mark thousand, lakhs and crores. The first comma will come after hundreds place. Now here this 2 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place and 0 is at the ones place. So we will place the first comma after hundreds place. So we will place comma here. The next comma we will place after the 2 digits, that is after thousands and 10,000s place. So we will place a second comma over here. Then the third comma comes after another 2 digits, that is after lakh and 10 lakhs. So the third comma we will place here. So in this way we have to use comma in the Indian system of numeration. So students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.